how we can create a discounts in a Shopify. So while creating a discounts, like we can have the multiple options that we can take a look on, and let's check straightforward to that. So once you go on a Shopify admin, you need to click on a discount, and there you will be able to see the option to create a discount. So as soon as you hit the create discount, it will ask you like which discount type you want to select, like amount off on the product, like buy X get Y, amount off on an order, or free shipping. So today we will be checking for amount off on the total order amount. Okay. So major e-commerce site do that. Like if the certain number of like orders items has been purchased and certain number of money has been added into the cart, then they will give the discount. So we will be checking for that. So amount of on order. So we will be adding the automatic discount. So we have to write any of the title for that, like amount of discount. And then we will be adding the percent discount like 20%, or we can give the fixed amount as well, like 200 we can say. So minimum purchase amount should be, let's suppose, 500. Okay. And combinations, we can give the combinations as amount of can be combined with product discount or order discount or shipping discount. I'm not giving any combination in that. And just we have to select the start date, or if like this, and if we want to have the end date, like if we want to run this campaign or run this discount for only 24 hours, then we will be able to set that as well, like let's suppose 23. Let's do that only. Okay. So you need to click on a save, and as soon as you hit the save, you will see the summary, like type and method is amount of on order, and it will be automatic discount, like 200 off on the entire order on the minimum purchase of 500. So let's test that. Okay. So I'm here, and I'm adding this to the cart. Let's suppose I might need to add 100. Okay, so the cart is, I have added the items as 100, and then the total amount has been 4,299. And here you can see customer can see the amount of 200. Like we have given the discount, like minimum purchase should be 500, but we have ordered the items more than that, hence we have the automatic discount has been applied. So that's how it worked. Like benefits of adding the automatic discount is customer doesn't need to add any code on the checkout, it will be get automatically added to that. So that's how it works. So let me know in the comments if you need more information for that, and if you need any other video on the discount, so let me know that. Thank you guys.